where it's not in copy that you're left.
Yeah, so I have a copier to
See him. God is so big.
Awesome, are you on them right now?
They've seen them all. They've seen them again.
Yes, we are.
Alright. I'm getting photos, you know, it's not an everyday occurrence.
With the glacier in the background.
I know it.
Sunny weather.
Did you come here and jump
One or two calves there.
I think there's two calves.
Really?
Is that what you, I think it's
There's three of them.
There's three of
There's
them.
three of them.
We're gonna go in
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, mom and two babies.
Yeah.
Mom and three babies.
Serena's young.
and his butt. And check out your butt. I don't know how did I got in my picture.
Going down easy
So the
now.
baby comes up with a later.
There they are. And the sun came out, Marcel.
I know.
Well,
Great.
while we're
And they
waiting
show up.
for the orcas, as you see them here, let's tell you a little more about the animals. The orcas are basically
three
a
babies.
toothed
Yeah,
whale.
three babies.
And what that means is they're going to be
That's
feeding
wild.
on the marine mammals or on the fish. And this is a small group, but it looks like they're pretty local. I haven't got a reading on which ones they are, whether they're migratory or whether they're resident. The residents basically eat fish. The migratory orca are going to be eating marine mammals.
Yeah, give it here. Give me reach. And others are going to be eating how much of give me the horn and I'll give you a hand. Yeah, no worries.
You eat the eyes too?
Huh?
You eat the eyes?
Yeah, you?